Hey there, everybody. I'm King 5 meteorologist Leah Pezzetti coming to you on this Saturday, the final day of spring. Summer solstice is tomorrow, June 21st, and we are seeing really pleasant conditions this weekend. Let's talk about everything heading our way this upcoming week. We've got heat, we've got first alert weather days, and we have rain chances back in the forecast. Here's a look around the sound as of Saturday evening. Really pleasant, beautiful conditions. Bellingham, Everett, Seattle, Tacoma, everybody is showing off clear blue skies on this Saturday. Say goodbye to spring, everybody. It's the final sunset of spring. Temperatures on Saturday were perfectly normal, right on track with normal by a degree or less. In fact, Bellingham hit the bullseye. 68 observed is the average for this time of the year. SeaTac hit 71, 1 degree cooler than the seasonal 72. Olympia also 1 degree cooler than the seasonal 71 degrees. 70 was observed today. So enjoy it, soak it up. It was normal. We are going to head back to above normal conditions the next couple of days. A heat advisory has been issued by the National Weather Service. Everybody in orange is under this alert pretty much Monday into Tuesday. Some spots will hold on to it through Wednesday. Everybody in orange is going to be under it at some point, so it's not including our mountains, the immediate coast, and then also the immediate coast along the Strait of Juan de Fuca. But the gist of it is the spots that will hold on to it through Tuesday are going to be those water-adjacent areas, places like our islands, the San Juans and Island County, the Olympic Peninsula, into Hood Canal as well. Then the spots that will be warmer holding on to it through Wednesday are going to be North Sound, Central Sound, probably into South Sound as well, a little bit longer, lowlands and the foothills. This is because of temperatures into the 80s and 90s as well. So we have issued first alert weather days, the King 5 weather team, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Tuesday is really the day we're keeping an eye on, though. That's the day when the heat will peak. We're watching above average heat, and then also that is going to increase the risk for fire, especially over in eastern Washington. So everybody in western Washington, with the exception of those immediate coastal communities along the Olympic Peninsula, are going to be keeping an eye on the heat. We have gotten a little bit of a break the last couple of days. If you remember, when the World Cup started, we were in the 80s and around 90 degrees. We saw record-breaking heat. We saw the first 90-degree reading of the year, and then we got a break. 70s, some 80s is where we have sat for the last couple of days, but that is going to change moving forward. We are bringing back 80s and near 90s, in fact, surpassing 90 degrees. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are those first alert weather days with those temperatures near record-breaking thresholds, and then we will, as quickly as we warm things up, cool them down, bringing back rain chances into this upcoming weekend. Mariners games, both Saturday and Sunday's day game as well, are going to be lovely. Temperatures into the 60s for Saturday night's games, 70s for Sundays. So really nice conditions for the weekend. The heat really picks up into the beginning of the work week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, when those temperatures will be at least 15, in some cases closer to 20 degrees warmer than the seasonal average for this time of the year. Don't forget, seasonal average 72 degrees at SeaTac. And don't forget also Sunday, Father's Day, of course, is also the summer solstice. That means it is the day when we have the most daylight of the year. It's not technically the earliest sunrise and the latest sunset. It's just the day when we have the most daylight. It's just about 16 hours of daylight for Washington. Because we are so far north, we get that extended daylight. So after Sunday, our days are going to start to get shorter and shorter and shorter. Sunday, though, we've been counting down to Sunday. Our days are getting longer and longer and longer. And then we'll soak up all that sunshine on that summer solstice. And soak it up we will. Sunshine it will bring. It is going to be a spectacular morning. Maybe some early morning clouds, but those will clear beautifully into our daytime hours. Spending most of the day in the 70s. Everybody go barbecue for your dads or father figures. It is going to be a glorious day. Highs for Sunday will be into the 70s and low 80s. This is warmer than what we observed Saturday. This is warmer than those seasonal averages, but this is not the warmest we will get. Enjoy it while you can. Get any outdoor things done, because we're really going to start to ramp the heat up on Monday. Monday, it looks like it's going to be the warmest day for the Olympic Peninsula. That's when we'll see temperatures into the 70s and 80s. Around the Sound, we are welcoming back some 80s. In fact, getting to the 90s, to around 90 degrees in some of the warmest spots, right around 90 degrees down around South Sound, also into some of our Cascade foothills. We could see some low 90s as early as Monday. Tuesday, though, is the warmest day of the upcoming week for most of Puget Sound. Tuesday will bring 80s and definitely some low 90s, especially around King County, around South Sound, into those foothills. This is when most of us will be under that heat advisory. Then by Wednesday, though, we'll start to see a little bit of cooling along the coast, so we'll let that advisory expire for some. However, of course, Wednesday is the next World Cup match. Bosnia and Qatar are going to see temperatures into the 80s. That match starts at noon. We will warm up as the game progresses, match progresses. So we are going to be into the upper 80s as people are heading home and continuing on their Wednesday evening festivities. So it is going to be a warm one Tuesday and Wednesday. But then we are going to see a massive change as we head into the end of this week. We are going to bring back some rain chances on Friday, and those will continue into Saturday as well. These are low resolution models. I don't want you to get too married to timing at this point as far as each day is concerned, but generally speaking, it does look like as early as Friday and then into Saturday as well, we are going to bring back some rain chances with temperatures cooling significantly as we head into that wetter pattern. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday with those first alert weather days, actually all 3 days at SeaTac, the daily record is 92 degrees. So at this point, we're not quite at that guaranteed record-breaking threshold, but of course, we'll keep an eye on that, see if we do break any records those days. But then we'll add, just as quickly as we warm up, we will cool things down with those rain chances into early next week. And of course, we also have a World Cup game on Friday. So Friday's match is going to be a stark contrast to Wednesday's match. But one more time, summer solstice on Sunday, bringing back this new season. Don't forget to wish your dads and father figures a happy Father's Day. Do something nice for them, make them feel some love, and enjoy the sunshine. That is an extended look at your first alert forecast. Be sure to stay with the King 5 weather team as we continue to stay on top of it.